Hello, hola. Thank you for joining Rena MoMoney Plus videos. I'm your girl, Rena MoMoney, and today we're going to talk about how to get probate leads free online. This video will teach you what they don't want you to know. Real quick, I want to ask, if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe. I post 2 to 3 times a week on real estate, investing, wholesaling, finance tips, and helping you to become a better you. I promise you, on this channel, you will definitely get tips and tools on how to save money and also how to make money. Today, this one is going to be real short because it's just that sweet and simple and easy peasy. So come on in. There are a ton of things that you need to know in real estate to crush it and be successful. One of the hardest things to do in starting investing is leads, getting leads. Even if you're not an investor, if you're a realtor, the hardest thing is getting leads. That's where that grinding come in getting leads. There's different type of leads that you would target. One of the most popular is probate. Another one is foreclosures. It just depends on which niche you decide to perfect and become an expert in. Well, today we're going to talk about probate leads online. Some counties allow you to get the probate leads or the probate list online, and some counties don't. Probate leads are very valuable, and it's really good for virtual wholesalers. Probate is when someone passes away, the heir must go through this court process. To go through the court process, you need an attorney. So you can't do probate, or you can't take over a property that should be probated legally if you don't use an attorney. So you definitely need an attorney. A probate attorney can cost you anywhere from $2,000 to $20,000. It basically depends on the asset. It depends on the estate of the deceased. Again, probate leads are very valuable. Most are willing to sell at a discounted rate. The reason why is because they inherit the home, or they don't live in that city. They have their own home. The home may be ran down. The home may need a lot of repairs. They just don't want the headache. So a lot of times you can get those probate leads, you can get those home at a very great, deeply discounted rate. Now, there is different ways to get probate leads. You can pay for it through different services, or you can get it free online. A lot of the services will come at you and say it's all done for you. You don't have to worry about it. We'll just send you this list. You pay X amount of dollars. So yes, you can buy the probate list, but it's super old. If it's not old, it's already been circulated 3 or 4 times with other investors. So yeah, you can buy it, but why buy it when you can get a free probate list online? Going online yourself and getting it free, you can get it first. You'll have that first experience. You can send out that first letter, and you have a huge edge and a huge advantage. So if you're in a city that do not offer it online, you go to the courthouse and you pull it. If you're in a city that does offer the probate online, then you'll go to the clerk of court. You go to the website that posts the probate. So for the cities that do allow probate online, you want to go where they post the probate. You want to go to the clerk of courts and go to official records. Put in the search, the document type, and scroll down to the probate. And once you scroll down to probate and see the probate documents, then you get the address, go to the property search, put the name in, and you should see the address. When you put that address, that's probably the representative, that's probably the estate holder. That will be the person that you'll need to reach and contact because they're authorized to sell the house. You'll mail a marketing piece, you will skip trace, cold call, text blast, email blast, set up an appointment, go through your steps on what you need to do, get the contract. So again, you can find these probate leads online by searching in the official records under the clerk of courts and writing down the address to start. If they do not put the probates online, then you can physically go down to the courthouse and look up the list. Regardless, you can get probate leads for free. First hand, first advantage, first person to reach out, first person to help them with that situation, because I guarantee you, a lot of times there's a situation. You may start out with letters. Always have more than one line in the water. As you're trying to reel in that fish, have more than one line in the water. So if you haven't subscribed, subscribe now. Turn on the little belly so you can always get the good stuff that I got for you. down in the description below. There's some resources to help you out and help you crush this real estate. I want to give you that tool and that technique and give you that nugget so that you can be the first to reach these authorized sellers, the representative of that estate, so that you can be the first to reach them, to offer them a good deal and to help them out of their situation. Being first have a great advantage. So yes, again, you can pay for a list, but that's some quick, simple way. Go on the clerk of courts, go down to the courthouse, do those things, do the work, put in the work. I promise you, you'll have better leads. I promise you, you'll get a better deal. I hope this video was helpful. I hope I helped you out and answered one or two of your questions about probate or just getting leads. If I've helped you in any way of any sort, whether it's to spark your mind, to say that's another technique I want to use, that's another lead area that I want to tap into, smash the subscribe button. That helps me out. Thank you. Be sure to look forward to the next video, jam-packed with real estate, investing, finance, and tips and tools to help you become a better you. Take care.